Hello everybody. Today we're just going to see what is about intelligent agent, rational agent, rationality and structure of AA agent. So far we have seen several agents. Now the term intelligent agent is quite different from all those agents, but the goal is same actually. So an intelligent agent is an autonomous entity which act upon an environment using sensor and actuators for achieving goals. An intelligent agent may learn from the environment to achieve their goals. A thermostat is an example for an intelligent agent, and also we can say that Siri, that is also comes under using an iPhone, right? So that is also comes under intelligent agent. So intelligent agent which act intelligently. That's what the main acts about. Agent that can feel its environment through sensors and act upon through environment. That environment. Example we can say human agent, robotic agent, and software agent. As I said in the earlier classes, right, about what is meant by human agent, what is meant by robotic agent, and what is meant by software agent. So A built intelligent agent which can be to think intelligently like human. So how human thinks like na, so intelligent, that is what it is called as intelligent agent. Accordingly they take action. Based on that it take actions. So following the four main rules we have to follow for AA agent. Rule 1, an AA agent must have the ability to perceive the environment. Rule 2, the observation must be used to make decisions. Rule 3, decision should result in an action. Rule 4, the action taken by an AA agent must be a rational action. So all these four rules that has to be followed for intelligent agent. That's what the four main rules that has to follow for AA agent. So next we are just going to see is what is meant by rational agent. A rational agent is an agent which has clear preference, model uncertainty, and acts in a way to maximize its performance measure with all possible action. So it should select an action that is expected to maximize its performance measure given the evidence provided by the perceived sequence and whatever built-in knowledge the agent has. A rational agent is said to perform the right things. A is about creating rational agent to use for game theory and decision theory for various real world scenarios. For an AA agent, the rational action is most important because in AA reinforcement learning algorithm, for each best possible action, agent get the positive reward, and for each wrong action, an agent get a negative reward. So this is what is meant by rational agent. It is expected to maximize its performance measure by having which are the given by the percept sequence and whatever the agent built-in agent has, whatever that it has to do the thing with the to not to maximize its performance. So what is meant by rationality? So we know what is meant by rational agent and intelligent agent. What is meant by the term rationality? The rationality of an agent is measured by its performance measure. Rationality can be judged on the basis of upcoming points. Performance measure which defines the success criterion. Agent prior knowledge of its environment. Best possible action that an agent can perform. The sequence of percepts. So these are all the four things that can judge the particular points, particular rationality of the particular problem, which means performance measure, prior knowledge, possible actions, and sequence of percepts. Next we are just going to see what is meant by structure of an AA agent. The task of AA is to design an agent program which can implement the agent function. The structure of intelligent agent is a combination of architecture and the agent program. So where we can say it as agent equal to architecture plus agent program. So agent not only act by its own, architecture is main important and agent program. So altogether it is called as an agent. So what is an architecture here? Architecture is a machinery that an agent execute on. What is an agent function here then? It is used to map the percept to an action. So what are the percept that maps to the particular action? So what means by agent program here? So agent program is an implementation of agent function. An agent program executes on physical architecture to produce function. So it can be easily represented by PEAS representation, which means PEAS. Performance, environment, actuator and sensor can be abbreviated like this. PEAS is a type of a model on which AA agent works upon. When we define an AI agent or rational agent, then we can group its properties under piece representation model. It can be, we can say it as performance measure, environment, actuator and sensors. So here we can say the piece for example for pieces for self-driving car. So performance here we can say it as safety, time, legal drive, comfort. Example for self-driving car, how can we measure in case of rationality? So performance can be using the self-driving car, safety, time, legal drive, comfort. Environment we can say it as for driving a car, road, other vehicles, road signs, pedestrian. Actuator we can say it as steering, accelerators, brake signal, brake comma signal and horn. Sensors can be camera, GPS, speedometer, odometer, accelerometer, sonar. So these are all the one simple example that you can able to realize how this piece representation can be subdivided, how this can be varied from performance, the environment, actuators and sensors using this self-driving car as an example. And also we can say it as in medical diagnosis, So medical diagnosis we can say performance measure as healthy patient, minimized cost. Whereas environment we can say it as patient, hospital and staff. Actuator we can say it as test and treatments. Sensors we can say it as keyboard. In case of vacuum cleaner, we can say it as cleanliness, efficiency, battery life, security. Environment we can say it as room, table, wood floor, carpet, various obstacles. Whereas actuator we can say it as wheels, brushes, vacuum, extractor. Sensors we can say it as camera, dirt detection sensor, cliff sensor, bump sensor, infrared wall sensor. Whereas here we can say part picking robot. Part picking robot. So how can we represent this piece representation, which means percentage of parts in correct bins. Conveyor belt with parts, bins we can say. Joint arms, whereas actuator we can say it as joint arms hand. Whereas environment we can say it as conveyor belt with parts and bin. Whereas sensor we can say it as camera, joint, angle and sensors. So these are all the simple example we can segregate in the rationality and rational agent, and next comes to intelligent agent. So this is about introduction part of and brief part of what is meant by intelligent agent, rational agent, and next comes to rationality, and next comes to structure of AI agent. So these are a very important thing that we want to know what is about all these three. So whereas intelligent agent we can say it as a it going to act like human, it going to think like a human. So that is what the name is called intelligent. According to that it take action. So human agent, robotic agent, software agent, all these are the example for intelligent agents. Whereas rational, which means select an action, that action should maximize the performance measure rather than achieving a goal. It should maximize the performance. That what this rational agent is mainly keen about. It should maximize. So every agent going to achieve a goal. That is the goal of each and every agent that we know, right? Rather, rational agent should achieve not only achieving a goal, but also it should maximize the performance measure. That's what it's mainly concentrate about, which is given the evidence provided by the inputs which are given by the percept sequence and whatever the built-in knowledge but particular agent has. It has to maintain the same, and its goal is to maximize the performance measure. So also we can say using this piece representation, performance, expectation, whereas sensors and activators. So all these things we need to concentrate. So by using that we just going to analyze what are all the performance, how the performance achieved in particular agent, which means performance, environment, activators and sensors. The expectation should be in the form of this piece representation. So each and every agent should compare with this piece representation and whether the particular agent is attained or not. That's what the main these concept is about. Thank you.